Hello, my name is Stacie. I'm a certified yoga instructor for over 25 years. I've been leading online chair yoga certification courses as well as yoga courses, but I want to share with you why it's so beneficial to teach chair yoga. You can teach in person or online as I do. My online course is based off the sequence and postures in my Sunlight Chair Yoga books, as well as my 25 years experience teaching and watching all ages of people benefit from simple practices they can do at home or at work. My online course is self-paced, so you can start and end anytime. It includes PDFs to download, save, or print, instructional videos, live film classes for seniors and all ages to practice at your own pace, yoga practices for your own benefit, guided meditations, videos on how to market new yoga classes and instructional lectures, and more specifics, helping you learn how to teach chair yoga for seniors, those with dementia, with chronic illness, at companies, hospitals, and doctor offices. You'll receive a certificate of completion upon completing the course. I taught many years this training, over 10 to 12 years in person at ashrams and yoga studios around the U.S. But now, for your own convenience, I'm offering it online. My online course has chair yoga seated postures using one or two chairs, some filmed in beautiful locations such as Paradise Island, Bahamas, standing chair yoga using the support of a chair, and many others. My online chair yoga teacher training is a wonderful way to benefit the seniors and people of all ages in your community. To find out more information or to register, go to sunlightyoga.com, sunlightyoga.com. I'm available to connect by phone or email if you have more specific questions. I love teaching yoga because it's truly my lifestyle, and I want to share it with others. The best way I can do that is to train you to teach so that you can bring it to more people in the community. Looking forward to connecting. Have a great day. Namaste.